Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in about 3 minutes, so I will pause recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I'm trying to buy at 105 a call option, so I'm watching those numbers there, and I want to see those drop down to 105 and then go slightly below, which would cause this white line to turn green. White meaning right now I'm trying to buy. If that turns green, that means I have been able to buy. And I am doing options right now. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide. And I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminologies, how things are working. I know options sometimes have an intimidating reputation. They can be made very complicated, but they don't have to be made that way. And I approach them in more of a straightforward way. So if that's how you like to approach things, more of a straightforward, simple approach, then I'm confident that class will help you out. So again, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to that class. All right, I will pause for now, and I'll keep an eye on things, and we'll see if I can get a trade. All right, going to go for a put here at 135. Nope. I'm going to go to 125 instead now. Looking for a put at 125. Adjusting to 120. $115. I'm going to go to 128 now. I know I can get it better than that. Try 126. I'm getting a little too aggressive here. This is a relatively strong breakout, so I want to give this thing a little bit more room. See if it does actually want to push up through that level. There it goes. So okay, I'm going to go 120 here now. Actually, let's let this candle finish. All right, I'll pause. Have an order at 105 here for a call. All right, that's putts around too much. I need to change strike prices and go 105 here. Change what? Again, comment below option guide. That's one of the terms that I talk about. So again, I'm at 105, watching this number over here. All right, well, no, let's keep it going here just in case. All right, I will pause. I'm going to go for a put here at 100. Nah, too late. You can see it's already going red there. So too late on that one. All right, I'll pause. All right, going to go for a put here at 138. Got that at 138. Out for $350 on that one. Very good. Again, you'd have to look down here and you'd have seen that go from white to green, meaning I was able to buy, and then that one was white for just a few moments, and then when that changed to green, that means I was able to sell, and that was $350. And if you thought, geez, that happened pretty quick, you're not seeing things right here. You can see execution time. So it was in at 10:20:24, out at 10:20:30. So 6 seconds for $350, which is pretty crazy when you just stop and think about it. But yeah. All right, let's see if I can get another trade here. It does really seem to be starting to calm down here a little bit. So let's try 127. Or actually, I'm going to change strike prices. Let's go to 135 here. So I'm at 135 here for a put. See if it wants to come up a bit more. I will pause. Whoop, I am in at 127. And that was just a crazy move. You gotta let this thing calm down here a little bit. It just jumped up in an instant. So out there for a $1,200 loss on that one. Wow. That thing just shot up. Like I said, I didn't even capture the entry point on video. And yeah, I just couldn't risk having this thing continue to go up further and further against me. But who knows, maybe I would have been okay. All right, well. So you can always get back in. That's what you got to remind yourself. $160 here. All right, I let that thing putz around long enough. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna try here at 155. Nope, don't like how that's just sitting there. Maybe I try 155 again here. Now let's first see how this 1 minute candle closes. There we go. At 155. Nope, still not filling me. Well, that was good. I'm glad I canceled that out. Now this is getting. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause. All right, looking like potentially pausing out here. Now, and again, a bit too late, but I'll give it. Nope, I was too late on that one. Would love to see it get up to that white line, but that's, I think, asking quite a bit, but we'll see. I'll pause. All right, gonna go for call here at 125. I just want to see it come down a little bit more. Well, as I said, it heads back up. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna try at 120 here, and I got that at 120 for a call. In at 120.
See ya.
Oh, you heading out?
Heading out.
All right, well, let me come down. All right, I am back. Sorry about that. My in-laws were in town, and I didn't quite know when they were going to be leaving. And my father-in-law peeked his head in and said, "Well, we'll see ya." Of course, trying to be so respectful as always, because knowing that I'm working. It's like, well, no, I want to see you guys out. So I threw the order out, and then I gave it about 10 seconds. I think it was about 10 seconds more, and it did get me out for $150. So that was lost control mode on that one. But I was right on the edge of potentially just needing to bail before leaving the computer and going down to say goodbye to them. But and had that been a bigger loss, that would have been nobody's fault but my own. I knew they were leaving today, and I that's why I love them. Trying to respect the fact that I'm working, so they were going to be, hey, we'll see you later. But no, I actually like my in-laws, so I wanted to give them a little bit more of a goodbye than just saying see ya as I'm staring at a screen. So, but it worked out. I wanted 150, or excuse me, I wanted 500 on it. I got 150 because that was lost control mode. So yeah, as of now, a tricky environment, but one where I think there might be some more opportunities. And as of now, I'm not planning on getting back to green today. It's just more of a, see if I can reduce the hole here a little bit. If you've watched any past videos, even if I just closed down 700, you've seen, gains of more than 700. So right now the loss is more than manageable, but we'll see what happens. So you did see the exit of that last one. It got quiet at the last second though, but yeah, it is what it is. And I'm grateful that I got out for the 150. All right, I'll pause. All right, gonna try for a put here at 133. Oh, never mind. There the price goes. So too slow on that. I'll pause. I have an order at 79 here for a put. In there at 79. Just had to take the $100 on that one. Went up a little bit further than what I wanted it to go. I will try again here though. Once again at 79. Let's see if this one wants to cooperate a bit better. I will pause.
First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.